All right, so you said, well, it tells you to pick u as square root of x.
Right, and then so du dx is 1/2 x to the negative 1/2, which is really 1/2 root x.
And then we want dx.
Right.
So here's the thing on this one. This is, let's see, du, so 2 du.
Oh,
2 u du. So the trick, I don't know if you call it a trick, but the key to being able to do these kind is recognizing that that's another u.
Yeah. So dx equals to, yeah, so that's what I got.
So now we have, what do we have? E to the u over u times 2u du.
Right.
And then the u's cancel and allow us to integrate.
Right.
And we also need to do our limits. Let me write that out. So we need to do u of 4 and u of 1.
Oh, that's what I forgot to do. I forgot to do the u of 4 and u of 1.
Okay.
So it should be 1 to 2. So
Yep.
it should be c.
Yeah, c.
Okay. That makes sense. I have to remember to plug in to u for the limits.
So here's a question. Just it's not this problem, but just came to mind. I think it is on this test at some point. But so let's say we have. I'm just gonna make some numbers up. Let's say it's 5 to 10, and we do a u substitution of these two.
Yeah.
And we get like 2 and 6. What would your new limits be? Do you do 2 and 6, or do you do 6 and 2?
You do 6 and 2, right?
Yeah. So you'd keep it in the same order as what went in.
Right.
Even though it's, what will that probably give you though?
Probably a negative.
Yeah. Good. I don't remember what number, but that comes up on this test at some point.
Okay.
Just keep an eye out for that.
Yeah, I got you.
Anything else?
No, I think that was it. 2x plus 1 times x minus 2 over x minus 2. And then your x minus 2's cancel and k equals 2x plus 1.
Yeah, and then just sub it. Yeah.
Okay.
Yep.
And then for 10, I just did from integral from 0 to 2 e to the x over 2.
Yeah.
And then you just go from there.
Yeah, what'd you get?
A.
10 is A. 9, what'd you get on that one?
E.
E. In fact, let's just check all of them. So 5 was C.
Okay.
6 was D. 7 was E.
Okay.
8 was C.
C.
Yeah, should we look at 8? Okay, let's finish checking them off. And then 9E, 10A, 11A, 12C.
Okay.
So let's look at 8. So this one, well, let's actually review the Riemann sums a little bit. So I'm going to call it V just for volume.
Yeah.
Okay, so right Riemann sum, what is that going to look like?
It's going to be
Remember,
7.
it's width times height, sorry.
Oh shoot, did I do it? No. It's going to be 7 minus 4.
Yep.
Times 6.2.
Good.
And then 12 minus 7 times 5.9.
calculus. Yeah, I don't know how it's.
Okay, did you add the 50?
Oh. Dang. I did not.
Okay.
64.9 plus 50.
Yeah, so 114. So I guess it would probably be prudent to add the 50 maybe when you're writing your remarks
Right.
on, just to not forget.
Yeah.
I think that's an easy thing to miss and
Yeah.
like to forget to do. So, what would change if we did a left remark zone?
It would be under, or wait.
Like in here, what would we change?
We would just change what you're multiplying by, so the 6.2, it would be 6.5.
Yep, just the left side of each interval.
We don't necessarily know if it's an underestimate.
What do we need to know in order to determine under or over estimates? Or
if it's
function type.
increasing,
Yeah.
like if it's increasing or decreasing.
Yep. Good. You remember trapezoid?
Yeah, you take base 1 times base 2, or base 1
Plus
plus base
base
2
two.
times 1 half.
Yeah. Well, and remember our trapezoids will be, our bases of the trapezoids are like y1 and y2 are the bases.
Right. So 1 half y1
And then we need something there.
times
That's your width.
width.
Whatever your interval width is. Yeah. So I guess that would be like x2 minus x1.
Right.
But otherwise it went well?
Yeah.
Cool. Do you want to ready to do your quiz?
Yeah.